Hello, my name is Lucas and welcome to my channel, Luke the Pianist. Today I want to show you a really quick tip for something that can really improve your speed of reading. I mean particularly fragments like this, when you don't have enough time to jump from, in this instance, left hand from this to this, or from C here to this chord right here. There are many instances and fragments in pieces where we have something like that, and this is not just a thing to practice, but more to have it in mind. So what I mean is, when you play something like that, I will play left hand only. And so on and so on. That means that here we have chord, okay, we have 1-3, and then instantly I need to know where I am going when I jump and where I jump, and also I can even hold it on pedal, this C and A flat to A flat octave. Here we have a pause, so the pedal should not be throughout this fragment, but when you play you see, even though I am not playing in some really quick tempo, like it's here 1/60 per quarter, I play really slow, but my hand movements are really quick. So you need to see where you are going and practice in slow tempo quick changes. Of course, one hand is better than both hands at the same time. So you can start by going, here we have a chord, so it's easy, just add fingers, but then from here to here, it's not that easy. So my tip for this is, first think forward, move your eyesight forward and further where you play. So when you are, for example, in this fragment, when you want to go to this, when I play A, maybe even F, I'm already seeing this CF with my right hand. So when I play F, A flat and C, I already am right here with my eyesight, so that I know where to jump. And when it doesn't work out for you, only just like thinking about this, you can try something like I did a moment ago. So when you have, for example, this to this, so fifth finger here, and then CF, and slowly repeat, and then go quicker, and try to not make mistake, because when you make a mistake, this is not good. So it's better to keep slow tempo longer, but make fewer mistakes. If you make one, you start making mistakes when you speed up the tempo. This means you need to go and slow the tempo down to the slower. When you feel comfortable, or you hear, I make a mistake, so I go slower, okay? Okay. Yeah, and it's the same here. course, it will be harder with more fingers, but again, really slow. And you see, I keep my hand here, I play. Before I play, I see, am I gonna make mistake? Am my finger, for example, here is on G, not A flat. So when I jump, okay, I have not good, I have C major, not F minor. Yeah. So when I jump, okay, I return to the good position and then I play. That ensures that you will not make mistake playing, only like practicing this position and then returning. So this will give you much quicker progress. Okay, if you have any questions, comment down below and leave a like if you feel like this helped you, and thank you very much for your time and attention.